Wow. This was really easy to set up. Oh my goodness. Let's see here. What are these? So we can adjust the brightness. Nice. Adjust the brightness. Nice. Oh my goodness, my friends, look at this. Hello, my name is Scott. Today we're taking a look at this triple monitor with one cable laptop screen extender. Right away, look at this. I am absolutely glad they give you a case for it. That is so cool. So if you wanna, want it to be portable, they give you a case. That is amazing. Look at this, guys. Good job, brand. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look here. Presentation is very nice. Wow. Okay, let's see if we can take this out here. What? It's actually really lightweight too. So this is what it's gonna look like. Your laptop's gonna go right on here. Let's see how this, oh my word, that just, look how freely this opens. So you're gonna open this up, place your laptop in here, and then you're going to squeeze the sides of it and place it inside here. All right. You get a, SD card in here. Interesting. So memory card with a USB hub. Some little protective caps. Type-C to Type-C cable. Type-C to USB cable. Type-C to USB cable. Manual in here. Wow. They actually provide you with everything. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. So right now we're mirroring our screen. So as you can see, what we do on our main screen here shows up on our other screen. You guys can change that, and every computer is going to be different, but for most people it's going to be right click, and it should be either personal or under display settings. I forget which it is. Okay, here we go. Identify. Okay. It's been a long time since I have changed these settings, but here we go. Should be down to under multiple displays. Click here and show extend on 1 and 2. So we're gonna click extend, and it looks like it's having this one as our main screen and these are extended. So basically what that means is this is our main screen and everything can be dragged over here. Now we don't want this on our main screen, so we need to go up and change the identification. And it looks like it's going to be a little tough over here. We should set up a mouse. So I think what we're going to do is hit cancel. Let's see. So what we do here is you go under display and rearrange. You click identify and it's going to give a number. So number 3 it's saying is our main screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag the number 3 right here. And we're going to place that into the center. Okay. Number 1, let's just put it over here. We're not too worried about that. Now let's identify. Let's apply. Okay, we might have to keep playing with this a little bit. Now, if it accidentally identifies so let's say this is our laptop, right? This is this should be our first main screen, except it turned it and it put it over here. We don't want that. We want the main screen to be here. So what we do is we click identify. We see it says this is number 1. And what we do is we now scroll to the bottom here. It's a little tough with one hand. But if we scroll to the bottom, it says right here, make this my main display. We go over here and we tap this. And we're going to click make this my main display. There we go. And you only do that, you only click make this my main display if it puts your display, as either on this side or that side as the main one. And you want to make sure you click and you highlight, the display you want as your main. If you want this your main, then you would click identify. We know it's number 3. We would tap on number 3. And then go down to the bottom and click make my main display. But since we want this, and now here's the thing. If we want to, let's say go left to the left side and right to the right side, we just kind of drag these around. So number 1 is going to be in the center, how it is. Number 3 is to the left, and here you go. We just go right over to the left, just like this. You can see our mouse. And number 2 is going to be to the right, and which is over here. You see our mouse. And now we can drag anything. We can have one web page open here, one web page here, and one here. 3 different web pages or programs or whatever we want. And that's how it works, guys. It's so awesome. It's easy. This has probably been my most favorite setup out of all of the monitors extensions that I've reviewed, and I've reviewed about 7 or 8 so far. This is definitely my favorite. It is so easy. If you guys are wondering, USB goes in one port, USB goes in another. If you don't have 2 USB ports on your laptop or computer, you can go ahead and buy a USB hub, and then you can do it that way. Or you can use one USB port, take this adapter here. This is a Type-C adapter. Plug in your other red USB plug into here, and then this Type-C cable into your laptop, and you can do it that way. And then on the back here, on the back, you plug in the Type-C to this port. It's going to be this one right here, not that one. It's this one that says, I think it says SS on it. That's where the Type-C from the monitor goes. I know it sounds confusing, but guys, it is so simple.